Serai Tateo. Akio Devo, son of Kemese Devo. He hails from Kidima village, 22 years, standing at 5.10 feet and weighing 93 kgs. His opponent in blue waistband, Serai Tateo, son of Mazili Tateo. He hails from Kuza village, under Pak district, 25 years, standing at 5.11 and weighing 90 kgs. Right after this, Reka Mero Chakasan Take on Kijasilo appear in the Angami. The first bout in favor of the wrestler in red waistband, Ato Tevo. The match went in favor of the wrestler in red waistband.